No, they don't do mini games.
What's up, guys? In this video,
hello.
we're going to be
Dre, I'm gonna go.
Can you help me?
Please, someone. Mini games.
Whatever. Right, guys, we are in this corner. Let's go whoever. How do we play mini games with a lot of people? He's cannot person. But what? I swear I heard something. Bro, I can just kneel me back. Let's not get too funky. Nah. Come by faster. Where's boat? Get up, get up. You leave this in the middle. One. This is risky one. Maybe guys just could store the window all the leaves. And one of the most fun games I've played. Right, let's get this started one. Wait, I have to defend all of this by myself. Oh no. Can you? Oh. $140 isn't that bad. I think this guy's just keep buying wood, survive and keep buying wood, survive and keep buying wood. Oh, I hate. Why is it every time I record this? Give me up. I've got 3 pieces of wood. Can I change anything? That don't work. Wait, should I just make towels? Then I need to go on this for towels. No. Anyways. Right, let's do this. Please no bombs. No, 1, 2. I might as well not even try the bombs, because they'll explode my house anyway. Oi, 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 oi! Go away, stop touching me. Stop touching me, boy. No, stop touching me. How much money do I have? Oh, I only have a wee bit more. Why is this so expensive? Let's just get back to our base. We should actually just build up. And we should actually just put it down here. At least I have a big shooting area. I can... But I swear it's a gambler with the no control. Just gotta come up from here, but it's much easier. How the hell did that just fall? I don't know if I'm lucky or not. Alright guys, after doing this one, we're gonna go play. Oh, I don't know. We're gonna go play. What games do I have? We're actually gonna go play. Do you know what game I should play? Notes in the comments. Let's play Monkey Punch. I haven't played this in a long time. I'm so OG in this game. I never knew this word made of humanity. Oh, I didn't save that. Oh, wait, let's get into this. Please. Light speed. Guys, there's not even that much people playing in this game. I mean, we can go into casual and then do this. Alright, let's go see if they even finished. I think they were supposed to finish months ago. What? No. 700. But this is the only one that I like. Don't ask. I know, but that's not even funny. Rotating? When did I rotate? Oh, my own hands. Oh, here's a secret. After you have installed Monkey Punch, come over here for a secret phase. Not really that much. Supporter pack. Imagine being the newest person alive and then just getting early access. Nah, boy, this one's better. This is the early release. Lymph? Right, well, anyways, let's just go in a casual, guys. Oh, the gobies are going, hey? What's this? Kuwait? Whoa! No, I am trash. Easy. Easy. It's impossible. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That is one of the most hardest things. Up there? Oh, still need I could do more. I see one. No. Unlucky. Unlucky me. Guys, to me it sounds like a McDonald's. I'm gonna try a challenge. I got two. Whoa, one master. Yes! Oh my god. Oh my god.
Bro, I can see you have to get down here. Oh,
I'll punch your butt.
Who are you?
Get out of here. It's dangerous.
No, I don't want to get out of here.
Hmm?
I'm trying to do some challenge.
What are you doing here? Monkeys, they can also fight. They can fight like this. Excuse me. It's content.
What do you mean lava? Well, that is the easiest challenge I've ever seen. Poop. Goggle. Easy. 3 seconds. And go. Oh, those are bad ones. I should probably actually just practice my own then.
Hello?
What do you want?
Hello? Hello?
What? What do you want?
What are you doing here?
Oh, oh. Yawa, yawa, ya. Yawa, ya, ya, ya. Now we need a walkie. What? But I am not doing that.
Hey, onion ring.
Oh my god.
Say that onion ring.
On the way up? But what does that mean? What do you mean hat? Cow walk.
That's right.
What?
Excuse me, sir. Why you? Excuse me, sir. I need to speak to a.
Yes! 0 seconds!
The other cut up.
No, that's just Sigma. That's just speed Sigma. 0 seconds for a challenge is insane.
187, 99.
Yawa, yawa, ya. Dawa, yawa. Okay, I should probably stop. So Roblox just Roblox and Roblox just Roblox to Roblox. And Roblox just the Roblox, the Roblox, the Roblox, and Roblox did to Roblox. Then Roblox did Roblox to Roblox. Roblox, 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 Roblox. And Roblox just Roblox. You can subscribe. Wait, let's find this my branching. So that I wasn't enough tweet. No. Oh. or